The department is being downsized. We are learning more about the state of education in Pennsylvania.
Ireland Viscount joins us with the key findings tonight. Ireland.
Valerie and Alicia, the Pennsylvania School Boards Association released its 2025 education report. It's clear that the findings are something schools have struggled with for multiple years.
It very much mirrors what we have been hearing in terms of trends over the last couple of years.
For the third year in a row, the biggest challenges school leaders face is the continued mental health needs, budget pressures, and staffing shortages. More specifically, special education teachers.
This is something that we hear anecdotally from our members. These positions are very difficult to fill.
Currently, we have 5 teacher vacancies. Most of those are special education teachers, but we also have vacancies for paraeducators who support those special ed teachers in the classroom.
And there's a rising demand for students needing extra support.
For the third year in a row, we've experienced an increase, almost double the number of students that are coming into kindergarten who need early intervention services.
President Trump wants to dismantle the U.S. Department of Education. Lillian Thaw says a big portion of that federal money
supports special education services for students. And, at a time when we're seeing a rising demand for these services and more students in need of these services, and the costs are rising, those investments are critically important.
Also in the report, more than 80% of school districts say they're experiencing difficulty hiring qualified mental health care providers.
As a school district, we cannot meet all of the mental health needs that we have currently, so we're partnering with outside organizations.
Governor Josh Shapiro, working with lawmakers from both parties, has recognized this. There's been a real strong push for investing in school counselors, nurses, other mental health care providers, but more work needs to be done. And that's certainly reflected, I think, in this report.
Another key finding in the report is more than 77% of school districts reported having at least one school building in need of repair or replacement. Plus, for the 6th year in a row, mandatory charter school tuition payments were the top source of budget pressure. Alicia.
Interesting, Ireland. Thanks very much for that update.